This is my 2005 Mustang GT, and today we're going to replace the muffler system with an SSS. Even for stock. Wait till you hear the thunder of the Adrenaline SSS muffler system. So this is before. The thing I don't like about the stock exhaust is that if you're looking at it from the back, you can see the cans hanging down. I like the old Mustangs where all you could see in the back was a straight pipe from the mid-mounted mufflers. So here we are at the Meineke, my 2005 Mustang GT. This is after the operation. The new mufflers are installed. The SSS Adrenaline mufflers are installed. If you look real closely through the wheel well there, you can see them. We'll look underneath, see if we can see the mufflers. SSS emblem on the bottom of the muffler. And if you look at the back, all you see is the tailpipe. You don't see any muffler at all. And through the wheel well, you can even see them there. So that's enough for looking at them. Let's see what it sounds like. You can hear the idle. Hear the pops? That's great. All right, I'll meet you at the house.
All right.
Thanks.